Old but strong cars often feature robust construction, powerful engines, and simple mechanics. Their durability and timeless design make them beloved by enthusiasts. Classic models retain their charm while offering reliability that stands the test of time. 1. Robust construction. Many older cars were built with heavy materials, often resulting in greater durability and resistance to wear. To simple mechanics, the mechanical systems in older cars are generally less complex, making them easier to repair and maintain. 3. Powerful engines. Many classic vehicles are equipped with larger displacement engines that produce significant horsepower and torque. For solid frames, older cars often feature full frames instead of unibody construction, providing better structural integrity. 5. Longevity. Many vintage models were designed to last, frequently outliving modern vehicles due to their build quality and maintenance practices. 6. Timeless design. The aesthetics of older cars often have a vintage appeal with classic lines and distinctive shapes. 7. Resilient suspension. Older vehicles often come with suspension systems that can endure rough conditions and heavy loads. These qualities make older cars appealing to enthusiasts and collectors for their strength and longevity. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the content about old but strong cars, please subscribe, like, and share for more.